Bay windows have long been admired for their classic charm and practical benefits, but for homeowners in Conway, they offer something even more valuable: a meaningful boost in property value. Whether you're planning to sell your home in the near future or simply want to invest in improvements that pay off over time, installing Bay Windows is a smart, customer-focused upgrade that blends beauty with function. One of the most immediate advantages of Bay Windows is the way they transform a home's appearance. From the outside, they add architectural interest and depth, making your property stand out in the neighborhood. In a competitive housing market like Conway, curb appeal plays a major role in attracting buyers. A home with Bay Windows often looks more inviting and well-maintained, which can lead to stronger first impressions and higher offers. Inside the home, Bay Windows create a sense of openness that many buyers actively seek. Because they extend outward, they allow more natural light to enter the room from multiple angles. This increased sunlight makes spaces feel larger, brighter, and more welcoming. In living rooms, dining areas, or bedrooms, this can completely change how a space is experienced. Buyers tend to associate bright, airy interiors with comfort and quality, which can directly influence how they value your home. Another reason Bay Windows contribute to higher home value is their versatility. The additional space they create can be used in a variety of ways depending on the homeowner's needs. Some people turn the area into a cozy reading nook, complete with cushions and shelves. Others use it as extra seating, a display area for plants, or even a small workspace. This flexibility appeals to a wide range of buyers, making your home more marketable. Energy efficiency is another important factor for today's homeowners in Conway. Modern Bay windows are designed with advanced materials and insulation features that help regulate indoor temperatures. When properly installed, they can reduce drafts and improve energy performance, especially when paired with energy-efficient glass. Buyers are increasingly conscious of utility costs, so highlighting energy-saving features can make your home more attractive and justify a higher asking price. Bay windows also enhance the connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. In a place like Conway, where natural surroundings are part of the appeal, having a wider view of the outdoors is a major selling point. Whether it's a garden, a quiet street, or scenic surroundings, Bay windows frame these views beautifully. This added visual connection can make everyday living more enjoyable and leave a lasting impression on potential buyers during showings. From a practical standpoint, Bay windows can also increase usable square footage, at least in a functional sense. While they may not always count as additional floor space in official measurements, the extended area they provide can make rooms feel more spacious and usable. This perceived increase in space is often enough to influence buyer perception and willingness to pay more. Finally, Bay windows signal quality and thoughtful design. Buyers often interpret them as a premium feature, especially when compared to standard flat windows. This perception can elevate the overall image of your home, positioning it as a more desirable option within its price range. In the end, investing in Bay windows is about more than aesthetics. It's about creating a home that feels brighter, more spacious, and more inviting, qualities that resonate strongly with buyers in Conway. By improving curb appeal, enhancing interior comfort, and offering practical benefits, Bay windows can play a key role in increasing your home's value and helping it stand out in the market.